Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. If you're feeling depressed, a bit anxious, worried, angry, sad, lonely, tired, uninspired, feeling your heart on fire, or full of desires, know that you're not alone. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can release some of our stress, some of our frustrations, anxieties, insecurity, and come back to trust in the unfolding of life. Come back to trust in our own capabilities. Come back to trust in the many opportunities that are already here. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position where you can be upright, aware of your posture. Becoming aware of how you're sat. Extending your spine. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears. Relaxing your belly. Gently closing the eyes. Becoming aware of how you feel. Becoming aware of your body, locating any tensions in the body, and with your awareness relaxing your hands and feet, relaxing your jaw, the lips, the forehead, opening your chest, opening your heart. Taking a deep breath in and exhale out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale, letting go of worries. Breathing in deeply. And exhale, releasing. Breathing in love for yourself. Exhale, letting go of fear. Inhaling trust. Exhaling insecurities. Feeling insecurity leave the mind, leave the body. Breathing in. And exhaling. Dropping the shoulders. Feeling your belly relaxing even more. Feeling your face relaxing with a smile. Smiling at the pain, smiling at the resistance, the stress, knowing that you go beyond all of this. Inhaling, exhaling, breathing in and breathing out. Staying with me, my friend, you're doing great. Aware of your posture, aware of this present moment as you breathe in and exhale, releasing pain. Pushing the belly outwards. Feeling your belly relaxed. Know that you're gonna be okay, more than okay. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale, letting go. Breathing in strength. Exhale, letting go of negativity. Feeling negativity leave the mind, leave the body. As you come back into the blessing that is already here. Know that you're alive, know that you're breathing. You've lived to see another day, but it won't always be that way. Natural for the mind to drift, simply coming back into the present moment, coming back into your posture, aware of how you're sat, aware of your space. The color for today is blue. The number is 22. And the animal is a seal. Relaxing your face, feeling your heart dropping down from the mind into your heart. Feeling more beauty starting to arise in your body from the inside. Remembering how much beauty you already have inside. Remembering how much beauty you have that no matter what cannot be taken away. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Dropping the shoulders, feeling your hands and feet relaxed. And for just a few moments, bringing all your attention inwards, looking in. Thank you for joining me across time and space. Sending you a big hug. Remembering to stay present today and to never forget the beauty that is inside, just underneath the anxieties, the worries, the hopes and desires, the fears. Sometimes we are searching for something that we already have. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.